No need for no UN arms inspection, you know where the bomb's at. NOUN, detonating on contact. Cardiac muscles contract to these rhythms as we give them explanations how we living. Now these children, they can learn from us, but if we don't speak correct, they turn from us. Word I must let loose on this urge to bust. It's been about a year or so that you ain't heard from us. Gotta fulfill fantasies before I turn to dust. That's why the people's small talk ain't concerning us. They don't know about the flames of the fire that burns in us. We revolutionizing science like Copernicus.
It's murder, thus we'll probably end up doing time for it. Drop the wax to our lawyer, had a kid standing in line for it. Cause they just roll with that same old same. But architect, he ain't playing no games, nah man.
This is it, you know the fucking concept. Applied science, left MCs penetrable. You know the fucking concept. Applied science, check it out. This is it, you know the fucking concept. Applied science, left MCs penetrable. You know the fucking concept. This is situated on here.
The way the Supersci MCs at text the beats. Got cats salivating all over the next release. Vexed and I'm pleased.
Where the fuck the LP at?
Simmer down, we're about to serve you with a healthy stack on both aluminum and wax, cutting numerous tracks. About to hit you like a Louisville aluminum bat to the headpiece. Can no one get away this year with servo or curveballs that'll break your ear?
Yeah, we trooping down the street drunk as fuck. Freestyle around and screaming punks, what's up? Carrying the boombox that we guaranteed to crank up dumb loud. Catching more on stairs than the Gran Alone Funhouse. A rundown in the city basement be the place which we creating, sounds that we arranging. Curious patterns and forms like atoms and storms, shattering norms of the planet we on.
This is it, you know the fucking concept. Applied science, left MCs penetrating. You know the fucking concept. Check it out, this is it, you know the fucking concept. Applied science, this is it.